How to set up API in Janitor AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up Janitor AI's API. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up janitorai.com and be on your profile. Make sure that you're logged in. After doing that, tap on your profile icon on the top right and then head over to My Characters. Now right there you should see your character. Open it up. After you open it up, if you scroll down, you should see a start a new chat option. Tap on it. Now on the top right you will see three lines. Tap on that and you will see API settings. Head over there. Now you can normally by default use a janitor's API, or you can use OpenAI or Cloud or Proxy. So I'll just choose OpenAI, and after you choose that, head over to another page on another tab and search for OpenAI. Open the OpenAI website up, and initially you will see this section where you can just use ChatGPT, but what we want is the API. So simply scroll down a bit, there you'll find the API option. Open it up and you might have to log in into your account. So after you find the API, what you'll need to do, okay, so let me just log in here. Log in into your account first as well. I'll just continue with my Google and choose my account. And with that, I will be logged in into my, OpenAI. So from here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to select a modal. If you get the option to select a modal, use that. After you just, use GPT 3.5, this stuff, something like that, and use the API key. So after you logged in here, you will get the option to just choose the API, that is the modal that you just selected, and they will give you a key. Use that key right here and tap on check API key model, and then you'll have just changed your API. And that is how you can set up an API in Janitor AI. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.